much how the rest of the town likes it.
What do they have against these people?
A single welfare mom letting their kids run wild doesn't exactly fit the town's self-image.
Where's the father?
Brody's dad drove his truck off the causeway. Lauren's father was a traveling preacher.
Really? That was lying in a tent.
No, I think it was a Pontiac. He only stayed around long enough to leave her mom in a fit. Folks have been looking at a cross-eye. Haven't been out this way in a while. Nobody had.
Well, this place used to be.
A haven. About 100 years ago. So 3 hurricanes in 3 years pretty much wiped it off the map. They buried all their dead in that mausoleum. And then they started over on high ground.
They said no one came here anymore.